Hola mis amigos! Today I'm out in the garden right now and I'm about to go harvest me some breakfast and I make me some breakfast. I want to take you guys along and I hope you guys enjoy. I do not know why I'm pulling my hair right now. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and yeah, I'm so excited because stuff from the garden is like ready to be harvested and eaten. Let's do this, baby. Let's do this. Let's do it. Alright, you guys. So this is a potato that is like basically already. And let's start digging some potatoes up. I feel like it's gonna be purple. It's like the stem is kind of purplish-ish. Oh, wow. Look at this baby. Look at this. So amazing. Well, I guess it's like reddish. It's probably the all red variety that I planted. You guys, I keep like talking about it because it's so exciting, but if you guys have not seen, ooh baby, look at that, look at that, look at that. Ooh, it's big, it's big. Wow. Amazing. Anyhow, you guys have not seen how I planted my potatoes. There's gonna be a thingy that's gonna pop up right now. Link to how I planted them without digging in the soil at all, you guys. I don't know why I'm talking like this, but I'm so excited. Alright. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, another one. Like, this is like too much for my breakfast. Whoa, another one. What? Ooh, this dude is like huge. What in the world? What in the world? Guys, I was not expecting this much from one potato plant. I feel like there's more too. Anyhow, let me put this stuff in the basket. Ooh, guys, this is like huge. Huge. I am so excited, and this is like, guys, I'm literally harvesting potatoes with my bare hands. What can be better than that? Amazing. Alright, let's see. There's probably more. Oh, guys, what is this? Another potato. Oh, guys. Another potato. And guys, this is just one plant. Seriously? Look at this baby. I got a baby. If you guys have not seen the video where I planted a tiny little baby potato, it actually grew and had potatoes. There's another link that's gonna pop up right now. Look at this tiny guy. He's like the runt. Alright. Oh, guys, another potato. What is this? This is like a lot. I am amazed right now. Amazed. Absolutely. Oh, guys, another potato. This is like way too much for like one person. So okay, guys, so I'm gonna be honest, I was not expecting this much from one potato guy. This is like a lot. I was expecting like 3 or something. Amazing. Okay, this is my hand. Alright, my hand isn't small and my hand isn't big, so I don't know. This gives you kind of like a scale type of thing. Alright, so let's get on to the rest of the stuff that I wanna have for breakfast. This is like, there's like no space in my basket no more. Alright, we're gonna make it. We can do this, baby. Mr. Garlic Scape. Mr. Garlic Scape. This is like some kind of curly kale that I grew as a transplant. And I think there's a whole bunch of it that I gotta like use up. So I'm gonna, yeah. Alright guys, this is like a whole lot of kale. Whole lot of kale. I obviously have not been keeping it under control, but today's a day. Today's a day. So this is what I have so far. Garlic scapes, and then a whole lot of kale. And then the potatoes underneath that you guys saw. Amazing. My breakfast, you guys. Man. So good, you guys. I think I really like this variety. I think this is all red variety. Okay, it was good too. Guys, organic, homegrown, delicious, delicioso. Also have some orange, freshly squeezed orange juice. That's not from the garden, but I love to have orange juice in the morning. So amazing. But if you guys saw my little mandarin video, I planted a little mandarin, and also like a month after that I planted a little orange. So excited. By the way, you guys, this might be kind of weird, but I had this idea where basically a contest. It's gonna be really easy, and basically whoever wins, I will call you guys, like a video call, dude. I will video call you guys preferably from Instagram. If you guys do not have Instagram, that's okay. I can give you like a phone call, blocking my number, phone call, and then we can chat for a little bit. I don't know. I would love to talk to you guys. What do you guys think about that? Let me know. Because, I don't know. I'm pretty boring. So I don't know if you guys would even want to talk to me. I guess so. I promise it's going to be super easy to enter. And then each thing that you guys do that's required, I'm going to enter it into like a drawing, like in a hat type of thing. You're gonna write your name and then throw it in the hat, and then I don't know, maybe like in 2 weeks I'm gonna pick a little piece of paper from there, and then basically a drawing, and if your name is on there, you are gonna get a call from me. What do you guys think? Yeah, let me know down in the comments below if you guys would be interested in that kind of contest. I don't know. I've just been thinking about it like a long time ago. Raspberries and strawberries, from the garden. This is a pineapple strawberry. So good. My little snack. My little snack. My little snack. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I do read all y'all comments and I love reading them comments. So yeah, say something, like, even if it's hello, I love it and I will respond. I do my best to respond. And yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.